I'm Mariana. I'm the Postgraduate Students Officer at the Union.
Hi, I'm Omar. I'm the External Affairs and Campaigns Officer.
One of the big things that's going on right now with the Postgrad Association is that we have our PGTA's campaign survey up. So if you've done any kinds of paid work this last semester or any time really in UCL, please fill it up so that we have a better idea of where the campaign is at and what we should be asking UCL to give us at the moment.
Right, so also one of the big long-running campaigns that UCLU has been involved in since the first term, and longer than that in fact, has been the nationwide campaign to abolish tuition fees, the campaign for free education. So in the first term there was a big national demonstration of 10,000 people, including many UCL students, that went down to Parliament to tell politicians we don't want tuition fees, we don't want loads of student debt. But obviously it took 8 years for Germany to abolish tuition fees, so that's not going to happen overnight. So we're going to have another demonstration in Birmingham on March the 28th. We're going to have a coach to take students up there, come along, because we need to sustain the pressure on the politicians to show them that we believe education should be free.
Something else that I've been working on is finishing up the postgrad events for next term. We have some really different events, like our rock climbing. We had all different section drinks. We have LGBT drinks, research students drinks, all in February, and we're still working on finishing. So if there are any events that you think would be really good, we're definitely going to run another cocktail night because that's our most popular event. Yeah, just check out our calendar online in the PGA page.
Cool. Now, it's 2015, it's general election year, so it's a very important year where students have an important say in who governs us. Now, all students from Britain or Ireland or Commonwealth countries will be able to vote in the upcoming general election if they register. You can register online on gov.uk. We'll also be doing loads of registration drives because we think students have a massive impact on the general election, so they should definitely get involved. But also, we've got a general elections hustings organised for March the 17th, which will have all the four major party candidates in the ward coming down, including the leader of the Green Party, Natalie Bennett, to discuss issues that will affect you. You can come ask them questions and decide for yourself who you're going to vote for, because obviously students make a massive impact. It's important that they have a say and get registered to vote.
Yeah, and on elections, nominations have just closed for UCLU elections, so you should check it out who's running to be your next postgrad officer and to see who else in the rest of the sabbatical officer team, obviously. So yeah, just check out who's running, who you want to vote, who you'd like to see represent you next year.
Democracy.